Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video. Now in this video, we're just going to be diving into one of the most important first steps in your trading journey. All right, and that is how to open a MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 demo account. All right, so whether you are new to trading or you're just testing out a new strategy, a demo account gives you a risk-free way to get familiar with the market and the platform. All right, so let us get straight into the process. First of all, you have to choose your platform. Okay, you have to decide whether you want to use MT4 or MT5. Okay, whichever one you are using, actually, it's fine, right? You can decide to use MT4 or MT5 is absolutely fine. Okay, MT4 is widely used and perfect for Forex traders. And MT5 is newer, right? With more features, additional asset classes, and advanced order types. So most brokers support both of them, right? So check their platform options. Now you have to choose a broker next, right? You have to choose a broker. Okay. Pick a broker that offers a demo account. Obviously, for MetaTrader, you can go to their website, find their MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 download page, install the version that fits your operating system, whether you're using Windows or Mac or if you're using a mobile device, right? Then you have to install the MetaTrader platform, right? You have to install it on your device. Once you've downloaded the installer, open it, follow the setup instructions. When the platform launches, you'll see a login prompt. All right, usually you're going to get a login prompt when the platform launches, but you're not logging in yet, right? You need to create a demo account. Now, to open a demo account on the platform, you can go to File, go to Open an Account. A new window will pop up. Select a demo server from the list provided by the broker. You can select the particular broker that you want to use. If you are using MT5, you would have to type in the broker's name here, right? You have to type in the brokers. For example, let's say I'm using HF Markets. It's just one of the brokers that I use. Okay, so now, for example, if you want to open an account, you have to type in the broker's name and then select the broker, right? You can see open a demo account to trade virtual money without risk. Then you can fill in your detail, proceed with that. If you actually okay, if you want to open a demo account with a broker, you should actually go through the broker's website. Yes, you should go through the broker's website. But if you want to open a demo account with the MetaQuotes platform, right? If you want to open a demo account with the MetaQuotes platform, that is the MetaQuotes Ltd, then you can do that right here on the MetaTrader platform. Okay, you understand? If you want to open a demo account with a broker, you have to go to the broker's website to do that. You can find a place for open a demo account on your broker's website. There is an option for that. But then if you want a demo account, perhaps you're completely new to trading and you just want to test out the environment, you can open a demo account with the MetaQuotes, the company behind MetaTrader. So you can open a demo account, you just fill in the details, right? You actually fill in the details, and once you are done with that, then of course you proceed, and then you select your account type, you put your name, email, phone, and all of that, set your virtual deposit, your leverage, currency. I go to the terms, click finish, right? Open your demo account. In some seconds, you have your demo account. Now, once the account is created, now remember that this is MetaTrader 5, right? On MetaTrader 4, because of the nature of the way the system has been designed now, each broker has would I say their own MetaTrader 4. So if you want to use the MetaTrader 4 platform, you have to even download it from your broker's website, or you have to look for your broker's version of MetaTrader 4. For example, this is HF Markets, right? This is HF Markets MT4. So whatever broker you are using, you have to look for that broker's MT4. Then if you want to, you can see if you want to open an account on MT4, remember the one I just showed you was MT5. But if you want to open an account on MT4, you can see, click on next. You can click on new demo account, because this one now, it has been designed to carry the broker's features. That particular broker, it has been designed to carry the features. So if you click on new demo account, next, then it will now take you to the website automatically. All right. So at the end of the day, you are still redirected to the broker's website to fill in the details and all of that. All right. Now, once your account is created, sorry about that. Once your account is created, MetaTrader will log you in automatically, right? You'll see your virtual balance in the bottom terminal. For example, just get this up. Okay, so you're gonna see your virtual balance, at the bottom for your demo account. You're gonna see the virtual balance at the bottom there. All right. You can also now begin placing simulated trades in real market conditions. Okay. Now, on the just a quick overview of the platform. On the left, you're gonna see the navigator, right? And then you're also gonna see your market watch. This is the market watch. All the symbols you can trade. Then your navigator, what your navigator has is it's some information, basically where you find your demo account info, indicators, expert advices, and all of that. Then in the center, you're going to see a chart window, and at the bottom is your terminal, right? Showing balance, open trades, and alerts. Okay, similar thing happens with MT4, right? You see your market watch here, your navigator. So this is data window, your market watch, your navigator, and then of course your terminal as well. Your terminal. Okay, so this basically is just the basic overview of the platform. Okay, practice placing trades, modifying orders, and exploring indicators. The more you get comfortable here, the smoother it will be when you go live. Okay, now a bonus tip for you: you can open multiple demo accounts if you want to test different strategies or settings. Just repeat the process in a few clicks. So now you know how to open a demo account on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and you are ready to start practicing with zero risk. It's the best way to build your trading skills from the ground up. If this walkthrough helps you, hit that like button to support the channel and subscribe for more Forex content, tools, and strategies. Drop a comment below if you are Team MT4 or MT5 and why. Okay, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.